I'm going to plug in the iPhone. So if you don't mind coming a little bit closer over here, I'm going to show you how that works. So I open it up, plug it in, simple right there. Plug in my phone, and it starts charging. Now once you know which phone you're going to be having with you, which cable that you need, we have a very convenient pocket found within the wallet. And so you can store whichever cable you're going to use most often, you can store it right there. Now if you don't want to use the cable and your phone has the capability, you could start doing wireless charging. So let me show you that. You just place your smartphone on top of the wallet and it starts charging. Let me show that to you one more time. It's a pretty cool feature. Just set it on top and it starts charging. Now there's always going to be a connection between your phone and the wallet. And the way you access that is with the Volterman app. So let me open that up and show you what we've got. Here's the Volterman app right here. First thing I'm going to do is access the power bank so I can see how much of a charge I have within the wallet. Click there, and it shows me that I have 69%. It's perfect. Go back, I know that I have a charge. Next thing I'm going to show is more about the security features that we have available, and that's the Bluetooth alarm. So let's say that you're in the same room and you misplaced your wallet or your phone, or maybe your phone is in the couch cushion, or you just don't know where it is. I'm going to put it over here just to show you an example. I open up the wallet, and there's a little button inside. I press that, and it sets off an alarm. Let me try that one more time. There you go. So then the alarm sounds, pick up the wallet, pick up the phone, turn it off, right there. Now then there's another proximity alarm, something that when you're in a greater distance, let's say you've left it at a cafe or something and you walk away. Once the two devices reach a certain proximity, let's say outside of 20 meters, the automatic alarm goes off. And so I'm going to have my friend come over and he's going to show me. So let's see here, take the wallet, thank you very much. And he's going to walk away right now, very slowly, so it's going to take a moment. As soon as he reaches 20 meters, an alarm's going to go off, signifying, there it is, right there. So the alarm goes off, I hear that it's gone away, he's going to come back. Now when he reaches a close proximity to the phone, it turns off automatically. It assumes that you kind of found each other and that everything's all good. So yeah, thank you very much. The next one is kind of like the same principle, but for larger distances. And for that, we have a GPS locator. Let's say that you've left one of the items on in a taxi or in an airplane or at the hotel. You could turn on the GPS locator, and there's always a connection between the two items. So it'll pull up exactly where it is. See right there, it's written the address, and on the map, we're right next to each other. So I'm sitting in a cafe along the street, and it's showing me exactly where the wallet is. And that's in real time. Let me go back. The next feature is a security feature. So I turn on the camera. What this allows is that if someone takes your wallet, or you're just curious as to who's opening up your wallet, whenever someone opens it up, it takes a picture automatically. Now it stores that picture and it's able to send it over the internet, or even better, it's actually able to send it to your phone if you're close to each other, and that's using the hotspot. So right there it tells me info, please enable Wi-Fi connection. So I go into my settings, go to Wi-Fi, there it is, there's the Volterman, connect to that, go back to Volterman, and it starts downloading the photograph.
The best way possible. This is Super Hookah, the world's smartest and safest hookah diving system. Whether you're a scuba diver, snorkeler, free diver, vacationer or thrill seeker, Super Hookah is